Disassemble the machine. Split the equipment with an effective cutting range of 5,000 by 2,000 into 3 sections. Use a forklift to place one section of the machine onto the wooden pallet inside the wooden case. Lay 3 wooden beams underneath. Lower the machine into position. Secure the wooden beams. Fasten the 4 feet of the machine frame. Fix the air pump to prevent sliding and bouncing during transportation. Sort out all relevant accessories neatly. Wrap the entire machine with stretch film. Add another layer of stretch film on top and bottom. Cover it with a layer of PVC film. Wrap one more layer of stretch film to further protect and stabilize the machine and its parts. Nail side panels and top cross battens into place. Seal the top cover plate. Put the machine conveyor felt and some materials into the roller feeding shelf. Close the cover plates of this shelf as well. Place the related accessories into the wooden case for the lift. Pack the wooden case for the lift. Seal the side planks and top planks of the lift wooden case. The packing of the machine and all matching accessories is finished. We can start preparing for shipment next. Subscribe and follow us to learn more.